looks like a new steering servo also, right? That's what it looks like.
We got S665. I'd have to check it out.
Yeah.
See if it's on anything else.
Yeah, nice, man. The bracing looks really nice, man.
Now that's hot. The
right?
long EXP brace.
Gosh,
that's
hot. Yeah, that looks really good in there, man. Awesome job on this truck.
And you know where you can pick it up?
Yes, sir. Willis Hobbies.
Willis Hobbies, man.
Definitely better come here. You gotta come here.
Come on down.
What's going on there, YouTube? It's your guy Rocky from Rockstar RC, hitting you guys with another video today. Today, we're gonna be talking about the Arma Talion. I just went out to Willis Hobbies today, and they actually had it. So right now, it's available at Willis Hobbies, guys. If you're looking to buy the brand new Arma Talion, the EXB 6S version, actually it's the only version, but if you're looking to buy that truck, it's available right now, guys. So if you haven't ordered it already on Horizon Hobby or whatever website that you, of course, like ordering stuff off of, if you're local, hey, check out Willis Hobbies.
Yes, sir. Willis Hobbies.
Willis Hobbies.
And actually, I believe they even have a website, Willis Hobbies. Check them out. And I believe they'll be able to send it out to you, too. So if you want to order it from their website, you could definitely do that, too. All right, guys, so let's get on with the video. Let's check out this unboxing from Willis Hobbies. Let's go.
Oh, crap. I thought there was just a missing space here.
What you got?
No.
That's the chest.
We're checking out the EXP Talion here. Want to open it up?
You know what? Please do us the honors, man.
Yeah. Check out Talion EXP. Brand new Arma 6S car.
Sick.
Joe.
I'm definitely gonna have to order one. Oh my gosh, guys.
Beautiful. I need one. I need it.
Oh, back to pins. All right.
Okay.
I'm not against the pins.
No,
I
they
wish
work.
they make the curve
Right?
pins though, to make it a little easier to pull out. But other than that, I'm not against the pins. Yep. No, I'm good.
Sick. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at this truck, guys.
Profile on this thing is
Wow.
That is low.
Wow. I'm gonna have to get one.
nice profile.
I gotta get one.
That's nice. Let's take a look inside. So rated for 75 miles per hour, which is nuts for an off-road car.
Right?
Yeah.
Wow.
You know, maybe I should leave the top on. Man. Red and black, man. I love red and black.
Right?
They killed it. Oh, new heavy-duty straps.
Here.
Nice.
Nice.
Super long chassis. Imagine the type of motor you can fit in here.
Oh my gosh, right? Man. I'm dreaming about it already, man. I'm dreaming about it already. Look at that.
EXP out. Look at all that aluminum there. And the bell crank. Okay. I see you.
Ooh, aluminum bell crank. Nice.
At least a component on it, yeah.
Nice.
I gotta check it out, look into it.
Very nice, man.
Sick.
What motor is this? A 2050?
2050. Yeah,
2050
standard
KV?
6S, which,
Okay, six.
we do love.
Yeah.
motor.
Yep. Reliable motor. That's a
This looks
definite.
really cool.
Right? This thing is sick looking,
Ready to
man.
break some records.
Oh, man. Hell yeah. This thing looks sweet, man. Very nice.
Aluminum shop caps. Hinge pin retainers. Ooh, metal skid.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's neat.
Nice, guys. Nice. See? You know this good stuff. So how much is the truck going for, if you mind me asking?
$829.
Oh, wow. That's not bad.
Plus tax.
That's not bad, man. That's not bad.
Oh, yeah.
You're getting a lot for the money, though, man.
You really are. All this EXP aluminum,
Yeah.
the braces, the bulkheads, the pin retainers,
Yep.
the skid plates. Nah, this is sick.
Oh, my gosh, guys.
Beautiful build from Arma.
Oh, yeah. Totally. Totally, guys. Looks like a new steering servo also, right? That's what it looks like.
We got S665. I'd have to check it out.
Yeah.
See if it's on anything else.
Yeah, nice, man. The bracing looks really nice, man.
Now that's hot. The
Right?
long EXP brace.
Gosh,
That's
yeah,
hot.
that looks really good in there, man. Awesome job on this truck.
And you know where you can pick it up?
Yes, sir. Willis Hobbies.
Willis Hobbies, man.
Definitely better come here. You
When
gotta
go to
come
New
here.
York, Come on down. No, you're gonna have your goodies. You got your double A's, your tools, your speed gear. That guy is huge.
Wow. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.
Nut driver, tools, your stickers, your manual, exploded view, I believe.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah. And your remote.
Yeah, check out that remote.
Check it out. We got the SLT
Stuff
3
was,
3-channel.
Nice. Again. Nice, man. Hell yeah. Willis Hobbies? Do you guys
Willis
have
Hobbies, yeah. Follow us on Instagram at Willis Hobbies. We try to post every day. We do some product shots, some comedy.
Nice.
Yeah, we try to change it up.
Okay, cool. Thank you very much, man. Definitely check out Willis Hobbies, guys. Beautiful truck. Thank you very much, guys, for opening it up.
Yeah, man.
Definitely appreciate
Exclusive.
it. Yeah.
Post that today.
Right? Right. How many more you guys gonna have coming in? Do you have more coming in like today or?
Oh yeah, we got more.
Nice,
Yeah,
nice.
yeah. We should have some availability, and for anybody late to the party, we take names, numbers, give us a call.
Cool, cool.
Get you on the next order.
Nice. All right.
All right, everybody. Hopefully everybody enjoyed the video. Just want to thank everybody from Willis Hobbies, Jay, Nate, Corey, all the guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much for doing this unboxing for us. We greatly appreciate it. The truck is beautiful. I don't know if you guys, seen like the detailing or the details that are actually on that chassis. Honestly, I mean, it's got so much potential. You can use it as a speed car. You could use it as a basher. You can, basically use it for a lot of different purposes. It's a great looking truck. It's a great looking truggy. Honestly, I can't wait to get my hands on one and honestly see what it has in store for me, to be honest. I may make it a speed car, or I may keep it an off-road truck or truggy, so we'll see what happens. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget to enjoy your family, your friends, and whatever RC car you guys have, all right? Catch you guys in the next one. Rocks that out.